Many parents are told kids will grow out of snoring, but that's not always true. Snoring is actually one of the most common things parents mention when we start talking about sleep. And because adults snore sometimes, it's easy to assume it's normal for children too. But healthy breathing during sleep should be quiet. When a child snores regularly, it can mean that their airway is working harder than it should. Sometimes parents also notice things like restless sleep, grinding teeth, mouth breathing, or waking up tired. When several of those signs appear together, it's worth looking deeper at how a child is breathing during sleep, because good breathing at night supports healthy sleep and development. If your child snores, grinds, mouth breathes, or wakes up tired, comment airway, and we'll send you the signs parents shouldn't ignore.